Hey, it's Robert here from robertcbrown.online. Hope you're having a terrific day wherever you are today. Now, today's topic is how to use a vision board to activate the law of attraction. I'm going to tell you why you need to get that handled and start using one now, what it will absolutely do for you if you do, and how to get it done right and avoid the pitfalls of using one of these things. And also, if you want to know more about this and many more subjects around personal and spiritual development, then I'm going to show you where to go to get more resources. Okay, well, if you're all set, let's get started. Okay, so firstly, let's talk about why you should use a vision board. Well, it's simple as this. Most people have a real issue, a real challenge around creative visualization. What do I mean by creative visualization? I mean being able to visualize something with such crystal clarity, it's almost like looking at it in your physical world, as it were, with these two eyes, okay? You can do that with practice over time. You can visualize just as clearly. Now, why is that important? Simply because images evoke emotion, and the more emotion that you can attach to a desire or an outcome that you want to see happen, the more likely you are to kick the manifestation process into play. So it's really, really important that you get this handled. Now, if you're struggling with visualization, then what I would suggest you do is use a vision board so that you can take a good look at each of the pictures you've got on your vision board, then close your eyes and you'll be able to visualize it much more clearly because you've just seen that picture again. It's not a matter of you having to retain something from memory, pull it forward again and try to get all kind of jazzed up on the emotion of it. You're taking a really good look with your two eyes, focusing on it, then close your eyes and visualize that thing right after you've looked at it. And affirm what it is you want. It's always good. I always talk about affirmations. Affirm what you want at the same time. Very, very powerful. But that's why vision boards are so powerful, because of the visualization aspect and the associated emotion that you can get attached to your desired outcome. Okay, so let's talk about the how to get this done, the correct way to do it. Well, as you know, it's all about visualization. It's being able to retain a very, very clear picture of what it is that you want. And it's about it being that clear, that vivid in your mind's eye, that you get emotional about it. You can attach emotion to it. And emotion is, as I've already explained, like the catalyst. It's the juice behind all of this. This is what gets the wheels of manifestation rolling, if you like. So it's really, really important that you can do this. Now, the way that I do it with a vision board is like this. I would go into my vision board. I will focus on one particular picture. And often, by the way, let me rewind just a little bit. I would normally go into just a meditation for 5 or 10 minutes so that I'm really, really chilled and really receptive to everything. And then when I'm in a great place, I will go to my vision book. I do everything in a book, not on a board, but it's the same thing. So I go to my picture, I look at the picture for about 30 to 60 seconds and really, really analyze every single detail about the picture. Don't just kind of like look at it blankly. Really analyze it. Analyze everything. So if it was for argument's sake, I doubt that you would want to manifest one single rose, but if you did, I would want you to analyze every single petal of that flower. Look at everything. Look at the stem, look at the thorns, the leaves in minute detail. Every single thing that you can get. And then when you've finished 30 to 60 seconds, then you close your eyes and you recall that image and try to recall all the details that you just saw with your eyes wide open. Every single detail. And as you do, I want you to affirm that thing as if you already have it. okay? You affirm it as if it is already with you, and you get into the feeling of it already being with you, and then the magic starts to happen. So I hope you can see by now that there is real benefit in applying yourself to using a vision board or a vision book in the way that I do. Creative visualization is such a powerful tool when it comes to creating the outcomes that you want to see show up in your life. And if you're not using them right now, then I really encourage you to get started yesterday, okay, as soon as possible, because it will make a massive difference. I've spoken a lot about this in previous videos, but the way that this universe works and this world that we live in, it's not just the law of attraction. There are many universal laws, and it's almost like, if you can imagine the way that a river would flow, you can either set yourself up to go with the river so that there's no friction and that you travel quickly to where it is that you need to be, or you can try and paddle upstream. For most people, they're paddling upstream, and I'm here to tell you that that doesn't work very well. So by aligning yourself with the universal principles, reminding yourself of who you are on the inside, the spiritual side of your being, and I always say you are in fact a spiritual being having a human experience, not the other way around. Once you get this handled and you start to see the results, I swear you'll never go back to doing it the hard way. So with that said, I congratulate you for watching this video this far, and I compel you to take action on what you've learned and watch the results show up. And then I would ask of you to come back and leave comments and tell me how you did, because I'm thrilled to hear of the results that people come up with when they apply some of the stuff that I teach and I share. So that's it from me today. If you love this stuff and you want to dig deeper, then the best place to go for more resources is over to robertcbrown.online. That's robertcbrown.online. Get yourself on my email list. You'll become a part of a lovely community of people, like-minded individuals who are all here to grow spiritually, develop themselves as human beings and spiritual beings, and are committed also to making a positive difference in the world for others. So it's a terrific community. Love you to come over and become a part of that. And of course, don't forget to keep coming back and checking out my videos, because I put them out every day, and there's some good stuff coming your way if you keep coming back and checking it. With that said, have a great rest of your day, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers. It's Robert here. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you've really enjoyed it. If you've enjoyed this, then please subscribe to this channel and come back and see many more, doing these things all the time. And if you want to know when the next one comes up, click the little bell and you'll get a notification each and every time we've got a new video up there for you to have a look at. And the other thing is, I nearly forgot. If you love everything to do with personal development, business development, and just getting yourself into a peak state, then you're going to want to get over to my free webinar training, which is going to show you exactly the steps to take to overcome any inner barriers that are stopping you from achieving in life and business right now, and exactly what to do to get that put right and start living the life of your dreams, starting right now. Sounds like a tall order? Promise you, you can do this stuff. Get across to my webinar training. The link is in the description below this video. I hope to see you there. And at the very least, I hope that you click the bell. I hope you subscribe to the channel. And I hope to see you back here again soon.